Good day. This is the first tutorial. Welcome in this tutorial where I want to explain the user interface of BIQE Archive, Batch Image Quality Enhancer version 22567. You see that this window is divided in 4 separate windows. On the left you see the gallery window. Here you can import images by scanning or if through train here. Obtain new image through train or through image access scan to net, all kind of image access scanners. We build the API, I will show you in a later video. And you can also import here by adding files which you already have, and you can add a folder and a file. This is the gallery. If you click on an image in the gallery, then it shows in the edit window and in the result window next to it. The window next to the gallery we call the edit window, because here you can edit all kinds of settings if you have, of course, image filters, which we don't have at this moment. But this is the edit window, and what you do here on editing you see in the result window. These both windows you can synchronize here in the middle. It's self-explanatory, all these kind of thumbnails. If you hover over it you see what it does. But if I for instance use the synchronize sync viewers and I would increase and decrease, then it does it in the edit and the result window. If I disable it, it's only here, and here the full page. On the top you see the quality of the image, both in the edit as in the result window. Next to the result window there's the fourth window. There you can put in all kind of filters. You have 39 filters which you can choose of, and you can save these filters in a profile by clicking here in the middle on the pencil and give it a name. For instance, Harlem, and then you can change these filters. Let me show you. If I use a BIQE, and I would also use manual correction tool. Yes, this is edit, because now I can edit here. That's what I meant. And in the result window you see it's edited, but you didn't want this, so you can undo it. Here you have undone it. Here with the pencil you can save your profile, call it Harm 1, and if you say save, it says you want to save this BIQE. I say okay, so you now have a profile Harm 1. That's how it works, and we predefine some profiles for you. You can also adjust these, but can't change these 3 profiles, of course. Here, if you have a filter, mostly on the bottom you can change all kinds of settings here and can adjust some things. In here I have this BIQE, but if I would also use black and white smoothing by tonal, then I could also say I want medium, I want a blur modus, etc. Yes, this is how the user interface works. I want to explain one thing. On the upper right there is the application settings. Here you can see the thread version you have. I have a 56 thread computer. If I say 57, you see no, it isn't possible. I can say I want to export or process on 48, but I want to use the full power of my PC. The profile name is default. Here's the gallery folder. You can have different folders If I go to that folder, I have a work folder 2 and 1. These folders, you can do the settings over here by clicking on the plus. This is default, as you see, profile name default. The export settings can also be changed by clicking on the pencil, edit, and you can export all these file types at once. You can also adjust it by clicking on it, use the pencil again, and say I want no compression, etc. Say OK, OK, OK. This is the user interface, and at last, in another video, I explain all the export settings where you say OK, and you see it's all at once exported: the thumbnail, the TIFF, the doc, the alto, the JPEG, and the PDF. The PDF was OCR'd, so it will take some longer as a thumbnail, and the docx is also OCR. It's the Word, as you probably know. If I go to this test uh, 915, yes, it's what I've done just now. I will delete these. Here you see 915, we have the thumbnail. Here you have all the files. I can open them, the Adobe for instance, and you see it's OCR'd. Okay, this is the video about the user interface. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.